Okay, so we're gonna do the frankincense, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Frankincense. Wait, where's the red food dye? Oh, it's right here.
Okay. Are you ready? Hi everyone.
Wait, is it go? Oh, it's going.
Okay, take two.
Okay.
Hi everyone, my name's Jamie and this is Isabella and we are
Jabella Slime.
And today we are going to be showing you how we make our slime. So Isabella will get started here.
So today we're going to be making a red fluffy slime infused with frankincense essential oil.
Yep.
So let's get started. First, we're going to add half a cup of glue.
Perfect.
We'll add that in. Then we'll add in some red food dye. And I just add in a couple of squirts because I want it a little bit of darker red.
Yeah, so she adds in a couple, one if she wants it super light, probably be more of a pink color if you did that. And then the darker you want it, the more you add.
And that's 3 drops.
Oh, that's really pretty.
3, so I might add just a tad bit more in because of when you add in the shaving cream, it makes it a lighter color. So I'll add in 1 more drop. So then
our shaving cream is white too, so that really dilutes the color.
And the shaving cream just makes it a fluffier slime. And you're going to add in half a cup of that. Or about half a cup.
And it also makes it super soft when you're playing with it. The shaving cream just gives it a super soft texture, which makes it that much more fun to play with and that much better for your hands. And also frankincense is, if anyone knows anything about frankincense, it's one of the miracle oils and there are so many advantages to using it. So that's why we're going to infuse this one with that because it's one of our favorite oils to use.
Yes, so we're just mixing that together and I'm going to add a little bit more red because it kind of turned pink. As we said, the shaving cream really makes it a very lighter color. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's really pretty.
Yes, there we go.
Oh, I love that color.
Yeah, it's very nice. Now, we're going to add in some glitter. And
we're doing
add a lot of glitter.